got the grill going. Why is that recording? It just started recording by itself.
No, sir. Where's the button?
Why did the camera come on by itself?
Why
That don't work. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're gonna do something a little bit different. It's not gonna be woodworking. We are gonna make bacon and steak smash burgers on the barbecue pit. We got the barbecue pit sitting at the edge of the wood shop over here. We got it heating up, getting ready, and we're gonna go ahead and mix our ingredients here in our hamburger meat. We've got 3 pounds of ground chuck, which is the best hamburger meat you can use. Don't use ground beef, use ground chuck. That's the best. All you out there, I had a video before where I introduced my son Ty, and he's going to be helping me out here making these burgers. So grab that garlic powder, son, and open it up for me. I got greasy hands. So we're going to put some garlic powder in this 3 pounds of ground chuck here. Just spread a even amount over the top of that. Then we'll take this onion powder and we'll do the same thing. And then I like to use this cowboy seasoning. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies that make this seasoning, so let's be clear on that. Sprinkle a little bit of this cowboy seasoning in here. Gonna mix that up. After you get that mixed in pretty good there, let's hit it with another round. Again, I mean, you're only spreading this on the top of it, so you can hit it. I usually do it 3 times. That's what I hit my seasonings with. So we'll go ahead and we'll season this again, we'll mix it up, and then we'll hit it a 3rd time with this seasoning. So I got some beef country style ribs right here. We're gonna slice these up into thin pieces, and we're gonna cook them to a medium rare. About that thickness right there. I had to swap out knives and sharpen it. That other knife wasn't getting it. Just want to cut these steaks up into thin pieces. All right, so now we're going to put our bacon on the grill here. We've got our cast iron skillets in here. We're going to get this bacon going. First thing we want to do. Cast iron skillet's good and hot. You don't have to single layer this. I mean, you can just throw it in there and let it cook. Make sure whenever you're cooking this bacon that you keep it stirred up in here and cooking. We'll let that cook. So we got our bacon on the grill over there, and while we kind of wait on that to cook, we're gonna do some more activities here. Beer. We're not using saws or anything right now, so we can have a beer while we're cooking. So I got a red onion right here. I'm gonna cut the end of that off. I'm gonna cut us a few slices off here, pull that old skin off right there if it's loose. We're gonna cut us a, I'm gonna get rid of that one. Get us a pretty good old slice right here. Slice of that red onion. We're gonna make two of them. We're making burgers for me, my wife, my son, and my oldest daughter. But my son and daughter, they don't roll with the onion, so we're just gonna do two slices here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start cooking our burgers here. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in this pan. Swirl that around in there a little bit. We're gonna grab one of our patties here. And I forgot my cast iron skillet over here, so follow me. We're gonna get this cast iron skillet. We're gonna smash our hamburger patty. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit there. Woo! This is hickory smoked bacon that we got on here. We just want to kind of rip that up a little bit. Make sure it cooks good. We're just gonna keep this cooking. I mean, it's not gonna cook very fast on this grill. We got the grill set to the highest setting, but this bacon in this cast iron skillet, it's not gonna cook that fast. So it's gonna cook it the whole time that we're cooking everything else. All right, bacon's done. About to take it off right here. Got us a bowl right here. Bacon grease to drain in. All that old bacon off of there. We got our steak on here, and we're gonna pour a little bit of this teriyaki. It's based in glaze. We're gonna pour a little bit of that on there. We're gonna spread a little bit of this cowboy seasoning on our steak here. Got two little cast iron skillets here. Spread that on there. I got a few little pieces here in my big cast iron skillet that I'm cooking my burgers in. Spread that on there, man. It's gonna be some good eating. So we are gonna take some shredded cheese and put them on top of our onions that we cut earlier. Put a little bit of this cheese on there. And we're gonna throw that on the grill and grill these old onions up. All right, we got our onions right here. We got them sliced up. We're gonna put them on the grill with this cheese on top of them. Grill these old onions right quick.
So we took our onions with the shredded cheese on top of it. We're taking them out of the big cast iron skillet and we put them in the small ones, and we're gonna let them cook a little bit longer there. We're gonna pull these onions off now. So I got my son here. He's gonna cut us up some tomato and lettuce for our bacon and steak smash burgers. This is my first time trying these smash burgers, so I know the whole family's in the house right now saying, "Oh, we're so hungry. When is it going to be done?" So hopefully that turned out pretty good. And we got some fries going inside the house. My wife's cooking them up, and I think my son's helping her on that. He's also the one cutting these tomatoes up right here. Hopefully he don't cut himself, but. Yeah, he's got them sliced up here, so he's gonna cut this other tomato up right here, and we'll be back in a minute. We'll cut some lettuce up. We're gonna cut up some lettuce now for these old bacon and steak smash burgers. Y'all know how to cut up lettuce and tomato. We just trying to put a little bit of content in our video here. He's cutting it way too thick. Thick. Just start slicing it up. Slice it. Keep slicing it. Shredded lettuce. Shredded lettuce. So, I got all my steak done. All my onions are done. I threw my patties back on here just for a couple minutes, just to warm them back up, kind of. That way, you know, everybody gets to eat a hot burger. And I'll show you how to put this burger together next. Here I'm going to show you how to put this burger together. I mean, you know how to put a burger together, but these are bacon and steak smash burgers, right? So I'm using a brioche bun here. It's just a little bit better bun to me. I don't really like the traditional hamburger buns, especially when you're putting a lot of condiments on it and you got greasy burgers and bacon, and they just seem to fall apart. These brioche buns hold together a little bit better. I'm putting this one together for my wife. You can use any kind of condiments you want on here. She's requested mayo and mustard. So we're gonna spread us a little bit of mayo on here. And put it on both sides there. Grab our mustard here. Work better if I take the paper off the inside of it, huh? Alright, so we got that taken care of. Alright, now let's put some mustard on here. Maybe. Okay, there we go. The way I put this together, just grab one of those smash burger patties there, put it on first, and grab a handful of lettuce there, stack it on. Get us a tomato on there. Grab a few pieces of that that thin steak that we cut up, cooked to medium rare. Throw it on there. Grab us some bacon, pile it up on there. I know this is a lot. It's gonna be a big burger. Put our sliced onion on there with our melted cheese. Back on top of that with another smash burger patty. I fried up some cheese too. Gonna put some of that fried cheese on top of that. Smash that down a little bit. And there you go. Bacon and steak smash burger. If you got any value out of this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and make sure you hit that bell icon so you're notified anytime we release a new video. Once again, thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.